Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode looks on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. Okay, so first we have to switch from this automatic mode, and we can find a couple of the options. The first one, that's the mode where we can control the shutter speed. I mean, the camera will control shutter speed automatically, but we can actually adjust other options manually. So you can also move your phone like that to get like a better preview of this mode. For me, actually, it looks just better. You can see all of the parameters that you can adjust and take a look. Right here at the first, we can adjust the exposure compensation, +2, -2. There we can find, the shutter speed, the shutter delay, I mean, and that's also this burst shot. We can pick over the 100 photos, or we can go for the low to get the 60 photos. That's also the focus range. We can manually adjust focus. That's the single shot focus and automatic focus. Right here we can pick matrix metering. We can also adjust the ISO level. And here we can also enable the flashlight. In this place we can add some creative look, some kind of the filters. That's also for sure the white balance with some presets and the manual custom adjustments. Right here we can turn on the face and AF, the same for the face. And here we can also use the HDR. So that's actually a crazy amount of the options that we can use in this mode. There's also this shutter speed priority. So in this one we will simply use the shutter speed. We can basically control the shutter speed. And that's also the manual exposure. And here you got this option where you can recall all of the camera settings. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.